Hey everybody out there on YouTube, it ain't rocket science here, coming at you with another video. Today, this is our first video. It is about the oceans. Here on the channel, we are going to be talking to you about everything you need to know about the world's most important facts and how we can fix them. Today, we're just going to be talking about why the oceans need our help and how we can help them, of course. So 90% of large predatory fish are gone. Why do we care, you ask? They actually contribute almost more than any other class of fish to the food chain because they stop disease from spreading through the water. They do this by eating and eliminating the dying fish and diseased fish from a school of fish. That's scary, right? What does it mean? You said fish like 20 times in that sentence. All saltwater or oceanic fish will be gone by 2048. This is only 32 years from now. We need to take immediate action, which I will talk about later in this amazing video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, I just self-advertised. What are you gonna do about it? Let's start by figuring out what is causing this mass extinction. The two main reasons these extinctions are taking place are because of overfishing and the acidification of oceans, which kills coral reefs and creates dead zones, but I will talk about that in a bit. You're now wondering, okay, so the world's dying and the apocalypse is coming, and what am I going to do about it? Well, right off the bat, you can help by making a petition on change.org or supporting other petitions and bills that will help the oceans. Also, donating to organizations that fight against overfishing and the acidification of oceans. Some of these companies are Greenpeace and One World, One Ocean. Those are some of the main ones, but there are a lot of other ones that you can find on the internet by just searching up how to help oceans. Pretty simple. Also, let's cut back on eating fish. There are tons of alternatives to fish and protein. I actually have quit eating fish, and I don't really miss it very much, believe it or not. Fish are actually very bad for you in a lot of ways, such as the mercury that goes into your system because of how much of it is in large fish. The reason that large fish have so much mercury in them is that they absorb the mercury in the smaller fish they eat. This builds up and then this is transported into your body. Warning, I'm going on to a mercury rant, so get ready, hold on to your hats. And if you were wondering why cows and other animals we eat from the land don't have as much mercury as fish, it is because simply they don't eat meat. Also, mercury is transported much more quickly through water. 70% of the planet Earth is covered in water. That's a huge higher demographic for the amount of mercury in gas that's created in carbon that is put into the oceans. So that's one reason. And also, cows and other animals we eat from the land, they simply don't eat meat, which is how mercury builds up in the large fish. The fact is, small fish take in the mercury that is contained in the coal which we burn for energy. We burn so much coal which goes into the atmosphere. Finally, this burned coal falls from the atmosphere in the form of different gases. All these fish have to do is breathe, and it is in their system. We can stop mercury waste by eliminating burning coal for energy, but that topic is for episode 3 in this series. Personally, the most influential way to help the oceans, besides raiding whaling boats Greenpeace style, is to support petitions on your social media, and just look up petitions about the ocean on change.org. There are also petitions that will support bills. For instance, there was one petition that helped with oceans bordering America and banned fishing in a lot of the oceans, a lot of parts of the ocean around America. You can make a real difference from your home. Please pursue one of these easy ways to help the ocean. One of the worst things about carbon pollution is their effects on coral reefs. The carbon we put into the atmosphere is increasing the acidity in oceans, which is killing coral. If you think that we have time to hesitate on this issue, you are completely wrong. Sorry about that. Already 70% of coral reefs are gone, and that number is only growing. So please, pursue one of these issues, or pursue one of these ways to help the ocean. Take action. It's very simple, and it's not rocket science. Bye!